If you know me, then you know that I prefer matcha over coffee, so I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be testing out some new matcha products. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing them together. Today's video is in collaboration with a company called Teangle. They specialize in matcha tea and all of their products are 100% natural, organic, vegan, and gluten-free. So obviously consuming matcha has a lot of benefits, but some of the things that I like about it are that it contains a lot more antioxidants than traditional green tea, and you can also use it a bunch of different ways. Like they use it in beauty products now, you can cook with it, you can drink it. It's just really like versatile. So I'm a pretty tired person in the morning. I'm not a morning person by any stretch of the imagination. Some days I grab a coffee because I need something to get me woken up, but I do have anxiety, so I don't really like to have coffee that often because it gives you that kind of spike and crash later, which is why I choose matcha most days, because it kind of spreads out the release of it over a period of 4 to 6 hours. So it's more of like an even release instead of coffee where you're just like spike of anxiety and then crash. So I found matcha to be the best option for me personally, just because I do work a normal job and I also do the content creation, so I need something that's gonna keep me going for long hours. So enough about me, we're getting into the good part, the unboxing. This is the package that Teangle sent me, and I'm just gonna cut it open and we're gonna see what's inside. Oh my god, how cute. Okay, so they sent me 2 water bottles. So the first one is this one that just says Teangle on the side, super cute and like the cutest little blue color. And I think it looks like it has like a filtration system for the tea, so that's really cool. And the other one is just like this big tumbler thing that says matcha waiting for, which is actually so cute, and I love the pink, so that was really nice. So now I'm gonna get into the actual like teas that they sent me. So they sent me a little scooper too, which is perfect, so I know how much, because sometimes I don't know how much matcha to put in a drink. I'm like, is it a teaspoon? Is it 2 teaspoons? I don't know. So I actually really like that. This first one is peppermint, and it says it may help you burn fat, increase energy, and reduce bloating. So that one just looks like this, super cute. I'm gonna be preparing all these and doing a taste test, so as I go, I'll kind of tell you guys like how they suggest to prepare it, because some of them you drink cold and some of them they suggest to drink hot. This next one is matcha chai, and it is supposed to help you reduce stress, increase energy, and improve concentration. That sounds like what I need. So I will definitely be trying that one out. I'll probably try that one first because that sounds really good. The next one is ginger and lemongrass. This one helps you burn fat, increase energy, reduce bloating. And I like lemongrass, so I'm gonna be very excited to try this. And also ginger I think is supposed to be calming for your stomach, so this should be a good one too. So this last one is their matcha ceremonial tea. I think this is just kind of like your standard original matcha. It's supposed to help you increase energy, reduce stress, and burn fat, which that is great. And then they also just sent me a matcha chai, which is the same as this one, but this is just like individual packets. Okay, so I got all the drinks ready. They're in a lineup right next to me, and the first one that I'm really excited to try is the ginger and lemongrass, because your girl loves a cold drink. Although if you are from Boston or you know anyone from Boston, you know that we like our cold drinks year round. Yeah, so the first one I'm trying is the ginger and lemongrass, and I'm really excited because I love me a cold drink in the summertime. Ooh, that slaps. It's like a little bit sweet. I love that. It's not overbearingly sweet, but it has a little bit of like a sweet little, you know? I love that. That's actually, I feel like that's gonna be my favorite, but we'll have to see. That's so good. Okay, so next is the chai, which I'm almost as excited for as the first one. I don't know if I've ever even had chai, like in general, so I have no idea what to expect, but I'm excited either way. So this is the chai. This is supposed to help you reduce stress, increase energy, and improve concentration. So this is the one that they suggest preparing warm. Ooh, that's so good. It's so like, it's so cozy. Kind of tastes like Christmas time or something. Almost cinnamony, if that makes any sense. Yeah, ooh, I like that. I guess, I feel like that's what chai tastes like, I guess. It's kind of like a warm, Christmassy type of drink, but yeah, if I want a warm drink, this is definitely like gonna be good. So the next one I'm going to try is the Matcha Ceremonial. This one is the one that increases energy, reduces stress, and burns fat. So I'm just going to give her a little stir to make sure she's all blended. And this one, they recommend preparing warm as well. Oh yeah. Yep. That's just like your classic good matcha. It's not overbearing, but you can tell that it's definitely quality and it has a very smooth, rich kind of taste. So lastly, we're gonna try peppermint, which I think is gonna be really good in like the winter time, or if you're just a mint person in general. Hopefully this is good. So it burns fat, increases energy, and reduces bloating. So here we go, last one, peppermint. I'm gonna stir her up like all the others. I put 2 of them in the same glass, like the same color glass, and I was like, how am I supposed to know which one is which? So I figured it out, and that was stupid though. Why did I choose 2 glasses that were exactly the same? Like, anyway, I put tape on one glass to be like, this is the ceremonial, this is the chat, whatever. So now I'm gonna try the peppermint. Sweet. Again, like the first one, it has a little more sweetness. Yeah, just like a little bit of sweetness if you like that. If you're a mint person, I would definitely recommend this. Not overpoweringly mint though. Like if you like mint but you're not like crazy about mint, this would be the one for you. It's pretty good. It's just like a moderate mint taste. So if you like mint and you're trying to get some matcha in, definitely recommend this one. So I'm gonna tell you guys my favorites. I thought going into this that the ginger lemongrass and the chai were gonna be my favorite, and I was right about the ginger lemongrass. I think that is probably my top favorite one. I like them all, but I'm pretty sure the ceremonial is my second favorite. It's just so classic and so smooth, rich. Really love it. Yeah, so ginger and lemongrass I think really takes the cake for me. Definitely my favorite. I think during the summer months, because you can prepare it cold, it's gonna be like so good. So if you're interested in trying out some new matcha flavors or just want your regular good standard quality matcha, I'm gonna leave a link to Teangle's website in the description. Also, they gave me a promo code, so if you guys wanted to try out some new matcha flavors or just get your good standard quality matcha, you can go to Teangle's website and enter my code, which is SarahK15, and I'll put it on the screen too. So I just want to thank Teangle for sending over the matcha in these cute little cups and products. And I also want to thank you guys for watching the video, and let me know if you want to see any other types of videos in my comments. I would love to do them, so let me know what you want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.